I kind of disappeared for some time and I was not uploading any content. I just thought that after I got married, I needed a little break. Mentally, I would not feel like, doing that 100%. So I kind of like lost the spark and lost. Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little weird right now, but it feels really nice to just sit in front of the camera and talk. If honestly you have been following me for a while, you would know that I kind of disappeared for some time and I was not uploading any content, so I thought why not to get back on track. So I just wanted to open up with you all and do a get ready with me while catching up with you all. So let's get started. But before moving forward, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and let's go. The last time when I uploaded something like this, I think I was in India and I think I uploaded a Eid makeup tutorial and then I completely disappeared. Now I'm back to California. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys would know that in December I got married and it was such a overwhelming, full of emotions, happiest moment of my life. During my wedding, it was such a beautiful moment, you guys, and I just thought that after I got married, I needed a little break, a little pause from YouTube. I did upload videos for some time, but then I felt like, I just want to completely soak in the moment because I recently got married. So I thought of taking a little pause from, most of my social media platforms. Now when I'm finally back to California and settled in my home, I thought it's a really great time to get back on YouTube and just do a little catch up with you guys and do a little get ready with me so that you guys can know where I was, what I was doing and why I suddenly disappeared. So by the way, all the products that I will be using today, I will not be mentioning their names in the video, so you can check out the description box to check out all the product names that I will be using today. Now why I went missing in action. So let's talk about the inconsistency here, guys. It's not that I don't like to create content. I love to film, create, edit content, but sometimes life gets too busy. You know what I mean? It's not because I got married that's why life got busy, because it has happened with me prior also when I was not married. Sometimes few things come up that you feel like you don't want to do it right now and you just want to take a pause for some time and then get back on track. Now between settling into a new phase and figuring out my office work and coping up with my own emotions, I felt like I couldn't keep it up. So I think that was another reason why I was like so inconsistent. There were days where I would plan the content, kind of like a series or something, but then in between mentally I would not feel like doing that 100%. So I would just like pause and I would just like I couldn't do it, and instead of forcing it, I give myself space so that it's better to take some time off rather than showing up in front of you guys where I'm not 100% confident and not putting up all that efforts. So I always like to take some extra time off and then plan content and come back when I'm mentally feeling it and I'm mentally feeling to be in present in front of the camera and talk to you guys. Now, since we spoke about my inconsistency, let's talk about my creative spark. Now, here's the thing. Like I mentioned, it's not really that I don't like doing this. I love creating content. I remember I started this channel in 2019 February, and then also I was doing this 9 to 5 full-time job, and I remember there were days when I always used to sleep like for 2 to 3 hours because there was this job. I was working in a company where I had to go to work around like 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. and then I remember I used to sleep only for 2 to 3 hours so that I can edit my content or create my content and upload it or schedule it on YouTube so that I am always consistent on YouTube. So somewhere along the way, I would say, because I was so exhausted and tired of all the things that I was doing, I kind of like lost the spark and lost the energy of doing it consistently. Not because that I don't love it, but because I was super exhausted and always super tired. But now I'm slowly getting that energy back, and it feels really good to just show up even if it's imperfect, because I feel like, at the end of the day, you need to follow your passion and you need to do what you'd really like to do. So that's why I'm trying to get back slowly, bring that energy back, and have planned things accordingly, so everything I'm doing, I'm doing in a proper way. So that's one of the reasons. Now, what to expect from me? So going forward, planning to be more intentional. I've actually filmed a bunch of reels for Instagram, and I'm planning to post them, some of them on YouTube as well, and I've also filmed some of the YouTube content as well, and I'm planning to post one video every week starting next week. So the video that you're watching today, I would have, by that time I would have already scheduled one video for the next week. Now these videos could be, it could be related to get ready with me, it could be related to makeup tutorials, bridal tips, or just sit down a chit chat video like this one. And just do let me know if you want me to create something else, if you want to see my get ready with me, like a day in my life, something like that vlog, or a travel vlog. Do let me know, comment down below and let me know. I'll plan my contents accordingly. And apart from that, I really want to bring this channel back to life, because it has always mattered to me, and this channel still matters to me a lot. YouTube is my life, and I really want to get this channel back to life. So going forward, I'm planning one YouTube video every week, because again, I don't want to keep it make it very exhausting for me. So I'm planning like one video per week, and then maybe we can switch to 2 videos per week. We'll see how it goes. So that's what my current plan is. Now this message is to all my community. If you're watching this, and if you have stayed subscribed and supported me quietly during my offline time, I just want to say thank you so much. This really means a lot. Your presence here just means a lot. It means the whole world to me. So thank you so much, guys. And in case you are new to my channel, my name is Preet. Welcome to my channel. I'm a beauty, lifestyle and fitness content creator and a newlywed right now, if you guys can see this, and I'm so excited to bring the honest and creative content again in front of you guys. And also, like I mentioned, do let me know if there's any sort of content that you want me to bring up, and comment down below. That will really help me in creating a future content for you guys. Right now, I'll stop rambling and finish this glam now. But after watching this video, if you can relate to anything that I said, and you've also felt lost lately, just want to know that you're not alone. So drop a heart in the comment box, and do let me know what other content you want to see coming from me. I will see you soon, and I promise this time that you will see me consistent, because that's the promise I have made it to myself and to you guys as well. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and let me quickly show you guys the finished look. Here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. I loved sharing everything with you guys, and I just loved being open with you all. And now today, like I said, I'm gonna promise you that I will be consistent. So I will be consistent. That's a promise made by me, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. All the products that I've used for today's get ready with me are mentioned down in the description, so make sure you check that out as well. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. I will see you guys super soon, but till then, take care, stay safe, see you next week, bye.